तुम्हारा काम प्रशंसनीय है। योर वर्क इज प्रेजवर्थी। योर वर्क इज प्रेजवर्थी। इस मामले को किसी तरह सुलझाओ। सेटल दिस मैटर समहाउ। सेटल दिस मैटर समहाउ। अपने दिल को कैसे समझाऊं? हाउ डू आई कन्विंस माई हार्ट? हाउ डू आई कन्विंस माई हार्ट? सच कहो तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। वो तो वहां जाएगा ही। He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. कल किसने देखा? Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow never comes. एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे। Cast in the same mood. Cast in the same mood. कर भला हो भला। Light reflects light. Light reflects light. मैं यह देखने के लिए और इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait to see this anymore. I can't wait to see this anymore. वो जगह पीछे रह गई। That place is left behind. That place is left behind. क्या तुम सुन रहे हो या नहीं? Are you listening or not? Are you listening or not? हम किसी तरह से वहां पहुंचे। We somehow reached there. We somehow reached there. आप लोग आपस में क्यों झगड़ रहे हैं? Why are you fighting among ourselves? Why are you fighting among ourselves? तुम मुझे हर बार निराश करते हो। You let me down every time. You let me down every time. तुम मेरी मुसीबतें और बढ़ा रहे हो। You are adding to my troubles. You are adding to my troubles. नियम सबके लिए एक है। Rules are same for everyone. Rules are same for everyone. मेरा कोई विरोध नहीं कर सकता। No one can oppose me. No one can oppose me. कहाँ तक पहुँचे तुम? How far have you reached? How far have you reached? जितना है उतने में खुश रहो। Be happy with what you have. Be happy with what you have. वह रातों रात अमीर बन गया। He became rich overnight. He became rich overnight. इसे हमारा आशीर्वाद समझो। Consider it our blessing. Consider it our blessing. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता। I don't know at all. I don't know at all. पहले से ज्यादा आसान है। It's simpler than before. It's simpler than before. आप ठीक समय पर आए। You have come at the right time. You have come at the right time. तुम उसके साथ पंगा क्यों ले रहे हो? Why are you messing with him? Why are you messing with him? यह रोज संभव नहीं है। It is not possible every day. It is not possible every day. चलो अब सफाई शुरू करते हैं। Let's start cleaning now. Let's start cleaning now. यह एक शानदार मैच होने वाला है। It's going to be a great match. It's going to be a great match. आज शाम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing this evening? What are you doing this evening? तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? वह मुझे कभी रोने नहीं देता। He never lets me cry. He never lets me cry. क्या आप उसे वापस ला सकते हो? Can you get that back? Can you get that back? मेरे जाने के बाद क्या हुआ? What happened after I left? What happened after I left? पूरी दुनिया उसे जानती है। The entire world knows him. The entire world knows him. अब मुझे कुछ और नहीं चाहिए। Now I want nothing else. Now I want nothing else. किसी को ढूंढो जिसे अंग्रेजी आती हो। Find someone who speaks English. Find someone who speaks English. मुझे ये बड़ा मुश्किल लगा. I found it very hard. I found it very hard. सबकी अपनी निजी जिंदगी है. Everyone has their personal lives. Everyone has their personal lives. मैं कुछ देर आराम करना चाहता हूँ. I want to rest for a while. I want to rest for a while. उसने मुझे पैसा नहीं दिया. He did not give me money. He didn't give me money. हमें इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. We will have to manage with it. We will have to manage with it. आगे से ऐसा नहीं होगा. This will not happen in future. This will not happen in future. मैं भी आपके साथ चलूंगा. I also come with you. I also come with you. मैं उसे फोन क्यों करूंगा? Why would I ring up her? Why would I ring up her? जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था, when I was at your age, when I was at your age. ऐसे कैसे तुमने उसे जाने दिया? How come you let him go? How come you let him go? अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो? What if something happens to me? What if something happens to me? मैं तुम्हारे रास्ते में अब कभी नहीं आऊंगा. Now I will never come to your way. Now I will never come to your way. मैं धूप में खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. I can't stand in the sun. I can't stand in the sun. वो मेरे आगे खड़ा हो गया. He stood in front of me. He stood in front of me. इसका मेरे अलावा कोई नहीं है. She has no one besides me. She has no one besides me. तुम उसकी तरफदारी क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you favoring him? Why are you favoring him? मैं ये रोज रोज खाकर थक गया हूँ. I'm fed up of eating it daily. I'm fed up of eating it daily. मैं काफी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I feel much better. I feel much better. आपको शांत रहना होगा. You need to remain calm. You need to remain calm. इंसान होने के नाते ये हमारा फर्ज है. Being human, this is our duty. Being human, this is our duty. ज्यादा भाव मत दो उसे. Don't give much importance to him. Don't give much importance to him. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया. I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. मैं अकेला ही रहना चाहता हूँ. I want to be alone. I want to be alone. मैं भी कोई ऐसा वैसा नहीं हूँ. I'm not riff raff. I'm not riff raff. वह कोई एरा गेरा नहीं है. He is not Jack and Harry. He is not Jack and Harry. मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए जिंदा हूँ. I'm alive only for you. I'm alive only for you. तुमने मेरी बहुत मदद की है. You have helped me a lot. You have helped me a lot. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always be there with you. I will always be there with you. जीवन बहुत अनमोल है. Life is so precious. Life is so precious. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of you. Nothing can be of you. यहाँ हंगामा खड़ा मत करो. Don't create a ruckus here. Don't create a ruckus here. बच्चों की तरह व्यवहार मत करो. Don't behave like children. Don't behave like children. यह तुम अपने दिमाग में डाल दो. Bear this in mind. Bear this in mind. तुम्हें पीटा जा सकता था. You could have been beaten. You could have been beaten. उसमें सच बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है. He dare not tell the truth. He dare not tell the truth. उसके आने तक वहां इंतजार करो. Wait here until he arrives. Wait here until he arrives. हर एक को मौका मिलेगा. Everyone will get a chance. Everyone will get a chance. मैं आपको कॉल करने ही वाला था. I was about to call you. I was about to call you. यह कब तक तैयार हो जाएगा? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? मैंने उसे वहां जाते हुए देखा था. I saw him going there. I saw him going there. मुझे भूख बर्दाश्त नहीं होती. I can't control my hunger. I can't control my hunger. मैंने उसे हाल में ही देखा. I have seen her recently. I have seen her recently. क्या अनाप शनाप बक रहे हो? What rubbish are you talking? What rubbish are you talking? इस परेशानी का हल निकालो. Find out the solution of this problem. Find out the solution of this problem. क्या तुम उसे रुलाते हो? Do you make him weep? Do you make him weep? तुम दोनों में से कोई नहीं है. You have none of the two. You have none of the two. वह मुझे क्यों मारना चाहता है? Why does he want to kill me? Why does he want to kill me? मुझे यह सब नहीं पता था. I didn't know of all these. I didn't know of all these. मुझसे वादा करो कि तुम झूठ नहीं बोलोगे. Promise me you will not lie. Promise me you will not lie. फोन पर कौन था? Who was on the phone? Who was on the phone? बोला ना कोई नहीं था. I told you it was nobody. I told you it was nobody. मुझे कोई लफड़ा नहीं चाहिए. I don't want any mess. I don't want any mess. कभी तो मेरी सुन लिया करो. Do ever listen to me. Do ever listen to me. उसकी बातों में मत आना. Don't get into his words. Don't get into his words. उसके मुंह पर मत बोलना. Don't say on his face. Don't say on his face. उसके नसीब में अमीरी ही लिखी है. He is destined to be rich. He is destined to be rich. मैं तुम्हारी रग रग से वाकिफ हूँ. I know you inside out. I know you inside out. जरूरत से ज्यादा मत सोचो. Don't think more than enough. Don't think more than enough. तुम इन दिनों क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days? जो बोलना था मैंने बोल दिया. I said what I wanted to say. I said what I wanted to say. वहां जाकर क्या करोगे? What will you do after going there? What will you do after going there? कल रात मुझे सपना आया था. I had a nightmare last night. I had a nightmare last night. तुमने मेरा दिल चुरा लिया. You have stolen my heart. You have stolen my heart. तुम ही मेरी सपनों की रानी हो. You are my dream girl. You are my dream girl. तुम्हारी यादें मुझे सता रही है. Your memories are tormenting me. Your memories are tormenting me. मुझे ब्लॉक क्यों किया? Why did you block me? Why did you block me? क्या तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? मुझे नाम याद नहीं रहते. I am terrible at names. I am terrible at names. मैं घूमने का शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of traveling. I am fond of traveling. आपको इससे कोई मतलब नहीं. It's not your business. It's not your business. मैं उसकी बात में आ गया था. I got into his words. I got into his words. अपना मुंह मीठा करिए. Sweeten your mouth. Sweeten your mouth. समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे कहूँ. I don't know how to say. I don't know how to say. तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया. You made my day. You made my day. मैं कभी बहाना नहीं बनाता. I never make excuses. I never make excuses. मुझे किसी भी दिन बुलाओ. Call me any day. Call me any day. आपने ग्रेजुएशन किस साल किया? What year did you graduate? What year did you graduate? वो मदद के लिए बुला रहा है. He is calling for help. He is calling for help. तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on in your mind? What is going on in your mind?